Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled at the foot of a towering mountain, there lived 3 little dwarves named Bix, Dax, and Rex. They were known throughout the village for their hard work and love for adventure. One day, while exploring the woods near their village, the 3 little dwarves stumbled upon a glimmering object partially buried in the earth. As they brushed away the dirt, they were astonished to find a golden axe, its handle shining in the sunlight. Excited by their discovery, Bix, Dax, and Rex decided to take the golden axe back to their village. They knew that such a valuable treasure could bring great fortune to their community. As they made their way back, word of their discovery spread quickly through the village. The villagers gathered around, marveling at the beauty of the golden axe. The village elder, a wise old dwarf named Eldrin, examined the golden axe and proclaimed that it was a magical artifact capable of bringing prosperity to whoever wielded it. He suggested that the golden axe be placed in the village square, where all the villagers could benefit from its magic. Sure enough, from the moment the golden axe was placed in the village square, the villagers noticed a change. Crops grew larger and more plentiful, and the village became more prosperous than ever before. Bix, Dax, and Rex were hailed as heroes, their names forever remembered in the annals of the village's history. But more importantly, they had learned a valuable lesson, that true wealth comes not from material possessions, but from the love and unity of a community. And so, the 3 little dwarves lived happily ever after, their village thriving under the magic of the golden axe. The moral of the story is that true wealth comes from the unity and prosperity of a community, and that by working together, great things can be achieved.